Dropshipping. Dropshipping is a business model where a retailer sells products to customers without actually holding inventory. When a customer places an order, the retailer purchases the product from a third-party supplier who ships the product directly to the customer. If you're thinking about starting a dropshipping business, you likely have many questions. Here are the top 10 questions about dropshipping, answered. 1. How do I find suppliers for my dropshipping business? You can find suppliers through online marketplaces like AliExpress, Oberlo, or Salehu, or by contacting manufacturers directly. 2. How do I choose what products to sell? Choose products with high demand and low competition. You can use tools like Google Trends or Amazon Best Sellers to research popular products. 3. How much money can I make with dropshipping? Your profit margins will depend on the products you sell and your pricing strategy. It's possible to make a full-time income with dropshipping. 4. Do I need to handle shipping and returns? No, the supplier will handle shipping and returns. 5. Do I need to hold inventory? No, you don't need to hold inventory with dropshipping. 6. What are the startup costs for a dropshipping business? You'll need to pay for a website, marketing, and possibly a subscription to a dropshipping platform like Shopify or WooCommerce. 7. What are the risks of dropshipping? Some risks include low profit margins, high competition, and unreliable suppliers. 8. How do I market my dropshipping business? Use social media, search engine optimization, and paid advertising to market your business. 9. How do I handle customer service? You'll need to handle customer service inquiries, but the supplier will handle shipping and returns. 10. How do I succeed with dropshipping? Succeeding with dropshipping requires choosing the right products, finding reliable suppliers, offering excellent customer service, and having a solid marketing strategy. In conclusion, dropshipping can be a profitable business model if done correctly. By understanding the basics and doing thorough research, you can create a successful dropshipping business. Thanks for watching.